Welcome to a minute of wisdom with Be Flawless, Not Flossless. Dental hygiene is no laughing matter, and the secret to a radiant smile lies in a simple tool, dental floss. Yes, that's right. Flossing isn't just about snagging the remnants of lunch from your teeth. It's a crucial step in combating plaque, warding off cavities, and ensuring your smile stays as dazzling as ever. There's a variety of floss to choose from: traditional string, flat tape, or even handy picks. The key is to find what feels right for you and your pearly whites. The technique is simple. Gently glide the floss between each tooth, curving it into a C shape to clean every nook and cranny. Don't neglect the teeth in the back. They deserve some floss love too. A few dedicated minutes each day can transform your dental health and, by extension, your smile. So, be flawless, not flossless. Remember, a sparkling smile is a floss-full smile. Stay tuned for more tips on maintaining a flawless grin. Until next time, keep smiling. #BeFlawless, not flossless.